Welcome to a dose of positivity. How to make magic happen. How do we make magic happen? Well, first of all, let's define magic. Okay, most of us are looking for an easy way, whether it be, a fairy godmother or a genie or a special pill or a yellow brick road to follow, take, whatever, in order to lose weight, in order to get in shape, in order to, be the best person we can be. But that's not it. It doesn't exist, you guys. In order to make magic happen, you have to consciously start on a journey. Okay? You have to say, I want to be here. How do I get there? And then you have to start finding your way there. And magic happens when you meet people along your journey, when you try new things, when you do new things, even when you fail, even when you're rejected, even when things aren't working right. Magic happens. It's awesome. It teaches you resilience. It teaches you perseverance. It teaches you that you're stronger than you think and that you're getting that much closer to your goal. I have been on a path recently, and it's amazing what I've learned about myself. I thought I was there before, but I wasn't. I've learned so much more. And when you're on your journey, you're growing. Every day you're growing. Physically, mentally, spiritually, universally, you're growing. I'm telling you, it's crazy silly what comes to you when you stay on your path and you're baby stepping your way to where you want to be. Magic happens. If there was a magic pill, if there was a yellow brick road, if there was a genie, you would miss out on the magic. You would definitely miss out on the magic. Because when you go from where you are now to where you want to be, and somebody makes it really easy for you, like a snap of the finger, you don't appreciate it. You don't appreciate it until you've put in all that hard work and it actually pays off. It's awesome. Magic happens by doing. Bibbidi Bobbidi Do. Awesome. You have to do it to make it work, to make it magic. So by all means, stop sitting on the sofa waiting for things to happen. Stop sitting in front of your computer wishing and praying that things could be different. Because for things to be different, you have to do something about it. So take the first step and do something. Bibbidi Bobbidi, do you. I love you guys. You got this.